Hey guys, Chi-Chi here. Welcome back to my channel, Chi.Chi.Luxe. So I felt like it was the perfect time for me to do my review on the pocket organizers that I got a couple of months back. This is from the Gaston collection, and this is from the upside down Monogram ink collection via my homie Rochelle's personal collection. Go check her out. She's really dope. But I have unboxings on both of these pieces if you want to see that. So if you didn't know, these are from the men's SLG collection side. And honestly, the men's SLGs, they be slapping, yo. The pocket organizers for the men's collections always are with some sort of like special edition collection. And there's so many of them. Now, of course, the special edition pieces do run a little bit higher, but they do offer the Monogram Eclipse in the Damier Ebene. For those of you who just want the basics, they do offer it for $375. But I mean, you can't deny the dopeness. Quick rundown of the features. You will have either canvas or leather, one continuous piece with a pocket sewn right on the back. So inside you have 3 card slots in this additional pocket. Then on each side you have 2 slip pockets. And then on this side you have like an origami setup where you can fit a few cards. It's supposed to be 2, but you can definitely push it a little bit to add a few more cards if need be. You also have your made in stamp. Mine is made in Spain. And I have this gorgeous yellow. I can't get enough of this yellow. All around the pocket organizer is glazing. So over time, the glazing on the edges of these pieces will probably crack or peel, kind of just like the 6 key ring holders do. But yeah, that's something that is natural wear and tear. So overall, this piece, been loving. Because this is the size of like your standard card holder, it just feels really good in your hand when you're trying to just grab and go. It doesn't feel too bulky within your hand. It just feels like you have literally like a card holder in. What makes this pocket organizer like just really like stand out isn't this side, it's really this side. This side is the side that is just so bomb. I guess with this kind of like crisscross like opening, it is so easy to access your cards. I'm able to just really like get up in there because, you know, with card slots, you gotta, especially if you have nails, I miss my nails, but anyway, you gotta kind of like stick your finger into the card slot in order to get your card out. And sometimes when you're trying to like even push it up like this, they really don't move. But on this side though, it's like, here's my money, take it. It's so much easier to access cards on this side. It's just like awesome. Now some of you are probably wondering, girl, can you keep cash in here? And you can. You definitely can keep a couple of bills here. I have 5 bills folded in half, and they do fit really nicely right behind the origami side. That's kind of where I like to keep it, because when you have all of your cards stuffed on the other side, it could be a little bit difficult to like get your cash out of. And because this is a little bit more flexible where you can pull it up a little, I prefer to keep the cash on that side. But if you want something tucked, I mean, it's the dealer's choice. Like, it's not terrible to get out of, but I try not to keep too many bulky things behind it because the cards are already stretching out that side. So to put extra cash and stuff behind it, I wouldn't honestly recommend it. If you guys hear my neighbors, they're having like a, I guess, a karaoke situation downstairs, so my bad. But getting into the wear of this, because this is a grain texture and is a little bit raised, I am starting to see like the yellow kind of chip away, and that's because in my bags is nothing closing it. So that's probably the biggest con of this piece, is that it's constantly open. But you have to remember, this is a men's piece, so they normally carry these in their pocket. Because I carry it in my bag, it's bound to open up. But that's when the dark color pieces really are handy, because if they do open up in your bag, you know, you don't have to worry about, oh my God, will I ruin the beautiful color that's in here? So, I mean, that's something to think about. Y'all know when it comes to any Louis Vuitton wallet, or any wallet in general, when it has this smooth front, you always want to make sure that you put a smooth card in this first and second pocket, and the same goes for these pockets as well, because what will happen is if you have a credit card with raised numbers, you're gonna get a bar right across this leather, and you're gonna be annoyed, and then you're gonna think back to this video and be like, damn, I should have listened to Chi-Chi, but can't do nothing now. But if you don't care, go ahead, knock yourself out. Another thing I want to note about the wear is that as you put cards in, you're going to develop a little bit of an outline all around the edges of the piece, just because that's where your cards are. I mean, these pieces do stretch, they get a little loose, a little relaxed, so you are going to get that little indentation. Now, because I haven't used this one, this is perfectly flat and straight, but over time, it will kind of cave in at the tops, in the bottoms, and the sides. So that is something that is a natural progression. Like, you can't help it. It's going to happen. Honestly, this little back pocket has just been so clutch. It's so convenient to just have those quick and easy moments where you could put your parking vouchers and things like that, your Metro card. I'm not getting on nobody's train anytime soon, but I will put my Metro card right here. If you're somebody who just carries cards, especially a lot of rewards cards, I know a lot of ladies have tons of reward cards, trust me, I know, and gift cards and things like that. This is perfect to add to your collection because it's super small. Like, look at that. It's really, it doesn't take a bunch of room, and I really like it. I just feel like it's a good price, and then on top of it, it's so fun. Like, look at the fun that the men are having, but what do the women get? 50 shades of pink. So this is why I always like to venture over to the men's side, because they're just doing it over there, and I want to be a part of the dip set. So your girl gotta get her lips wet. I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out some of my other videos, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.